Echo Bravo Romeo Alpha, request engine startup and taxi.
Delta Echo Bravo Romeo Alpha and just approved taxi and the backtrack lineup from AC8.
Taxi on the backtrack for runway 08 on November, correction, Echo Bravo Romeo Alpha.
And can Bird 325 also get the taxi clearance?
Bird 325 and just approved taxi and hold runway 08.
Taxi and hold runway 08.
Imagine seeing an A380 approach Perth.
Oh my gosh, that'd be terrible.
Yeah, wing strike the second they land on the trees.
Romeo Alpha.
Bird 325, you're cleared for backtrack and lineup runway 08.
Clear for the backtrack and lineup runway 08. Bird 325.
And King Air 764, you're cleared for the base onto runway 08.
Clear
Oh.
base is right.
Tower.
Yep.
I actually don't know what you're doing, because Victor X-Ray November 2250 is always crossing the ILS line for runway 20. It's, yeah, probably 1000 feet. He would actually just fly into an aircraft. You
Yeah,
gotta,
no, I'm so sorry. That was my bad. We had some traffic on the final, so I'm so sorry for the extended downward there.
yeah, no worries, just let them, yeah, in the north, yeah.
Yeah, I probably change to left circuits now.
Roger, thanks.
Iceberg 3899 requesting Alpha clearance to Perth.
Iceberg 3899, standby number 1 for clears. Bird 325, could you make an backtrack now and clear for takeoff from the 08, winds 045 degrees at 3 knots.
Was acknowledged for takeoff runway 08. Bird 325.
Oh yeah, sorry. By the way, we didn't report intentions. For okay. Delta Echo Bravo Romeo Alpha request probably a touch and go for runway 08.
Delta Echo Bravo Romeo Alpha, expect us to go on 08, break. Here 764, you're clear to land on a 08, wind 045 degrees at 3 knots.
Clear to land right. Thank you.
Bird 325, radar contact, good day. Continue Tokyo Southern on 132, decimal 3, good day.
132.3.
Bird Tower November 106.
Bird 325, early handoff contact rein 125, 25 Rogers.
Contact first center at 13525.
Corner 6 go, just to make sure are you finished with your pan?
Quantum 6 Super, I'm trying to figure out the issue, so I'm still pan. I'm just gonna circle clock, see if I can still head to it.
6 go, Rogers. You can release some of the fuel over there, and so we can get you back to land immediately, if that's better for you.
Yeah, 6 Golf, I'll probably head back to Perth to maintenance.
6 go, Roger, and confirm your flaps is still not able to retract.
Yeah, my white key is not responding. I'm pretty sure why.
So Roger should be...
Pan. I have an engine failure. This is a Bird 325. I have an engine failure. Sirius Vision SFS 50.
God bless you. We're not using that runway. I can't really do anything about you, but it's okay.
Export Mike, final run at 29er.
6 Mike, contact tower 127.4.
Contact tower, see you.
But 325, I need to make sure you really do have an engine failure right now.
Literally, I can send you a screenshot.
I will try to see what I can do. Okay.
Here, I'm sending you a screenshot as proof. I'm not like, it's not even lying. Please, can I get like anywhere to land? I can try to make it in the ditch.
Different 605, we're cleared for the Heaven Stacks visual, runway 29er.
So clear for the heavy stacks visual, 129.
From that's for Air France 6005.
Air France 05, entering stacks. Visual for running channel.
I low-key thinks he don't know what...
Yeah, I don't have a clue what that even means.
It's alright, so you see on your left, there's going to be 2 mountains. You're going to be flying through the valley, between the 2 mountains. And then when you pass through the valley, you're going to be making a left down to runway 29. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. You can now connect tower 127.4.
Connect tower 174.
Air Canada 1151, make right heading 360.
Air Canada 1151, turning right to 360.
Can I get some help though? Can I get like vectors to any available? First center. I sent you a screenshot.
I know, but 325, can you just try to maintain your speed? There's gonna be a runway on your right at like 1 o'clock. It's gonna be runway 15. Just try to see if you can make it.
I'll try to see if I can make it.
Thank you. 10, 6 go if you done with your pan. Corner 6 go. 36 super.
Just go super. Sorry about that. I was doing something. 6 Golf Super. I'll probably come down just so we can keep the package happy.
6 go Rogers. To confirm, sorry, I need to make sure the fuel is alright over there.
Yeah, fuel is alright. Just my Y key won't work. Not sure why.
Alright, Roger. I have the issue. Air Canada 1151, make a right heading 100.
Air Canada 1151, heading 100.
It's Corner 6 go. Do you have the... what? Do you have the LDA to do charts for runway 29?
I could get it for us.
Right, should be in there enough. But 325, tower should receive your pound pad. Contact tower 127.4. You're going to be making runway 15 on your right. You're making it straight forward.
Making runway 15 to the emergency landing. Thank you so much.
No worries.
And Pat.
Perth Tower.
Air Baltic, Herbalistic, 64 Mike, you can contact ground now 21.7.
Copy ground 21.7. Thank you.
Perth
And
Tower.
Air France 6005, welcome to Perth exit on your left at Bravo. Go ahead, Aiden.
This is the emergency engine fire.
Copy that.
You're cleared by Senator to come in for the approach running 15.
Roger that. Okay, you're cleared. Standby.
It doesn't look like we're gonna make it. We're too low.
I see you. Okay, try and go full power in your engine.
I am. We're at
Fuck,
lane.
okay. Fuck, okay, bird 325 if you can, winds 170, at 11, runway 15, clear to land.
Runway 15 clear to land, available.
And, Air France 6005, you can exit left at Alpha 1.
American 57 kilo, holding should have 5 for Alpha 1.
American 57 kilo, Perth Tower, runway 29, line up and wait.
But it's the 5th time I've called you or something.
I was away for a few
Yo,
minutes.
ballistic! Move it!
Yeah,
Can I get the
fuck,
equipment
Brit-
down? Runway 15.
So you need to take some notes from ground. Oh, ballistic! Stop blocking the runway. Stop blocking the taxiway. American 57 kilo, holding short down runway 29.
I said line up and wait. Just
Lined up and wait on runway 29. Air France 6005 requesting to take any available gate.
Air France 6005 is the contact ground 21.7.
Contact on ground 21%, mate.
Copy, Perth Tower, this is Air France 80 Golf, holding at Alpha 5 for runway 29er.
Air France 80 Golf, standby. Alright, American 57 kilo, looks like you're good enough. I think he exited. Alright, winds are 170, 11 knots, gusting 8, runway 29er, clear for takeoff.
American 57 kilo cliff takeoff, 1 second rush.
No, bird 325 resting contact ground.
Yeah, bird 25, you can contact ground 21.7.
21.7.
Advise ready, copy IFR.
FM, no worries. Singapore 7805, ready to copy.
Singapore 7805, you for IFR to Tokyo International via direct knife. Expect runway 29 for departure. Initial final climb 3,000 feet. Departure frequency 127.4. Squawk 1113.
Singapore 7805, could we get the squawk code again, please?
Singapore 7805, squawk 1113.
Singapore 7805, ready for reback.
Singapore 7805, go ahead.
Singapore 780. Singapore 7805 looking for taxi instruction to runway 29. Perth.
Singapore 7805, hold position. Air Canada 1151, go ahead.
Air Canada 1151, please repeat the steps to the gate.
Air Canada 1151, taxi to stand 11 via Delta 2, Delta Link 1.
Air Canada 1151, taxi to stand 11 via Delta 2, Delta and Link 1.
And Qantas 1232, huge apologies for the delay. Of course, heavy traffic, Perth International, advisory ready to copy IFR.
We got a phone call coming in from company. Give us about 5 minutes.
Yeah, no worries, man. Anyways, Singapore. Shut the fuck. Anyways, Singapore 7805, taxi holding point runway 2. Okay. Singapore
7805, sorry, Tower. Could we take Alpha 4 for takeoff, please? On runway 29.
Negative. Singapore 7805. I'm instructed to hand off every single aircraft at Alpha 5, so you're going to be expecting Alpha 5. Apologies.
No worries.
Singapore 780.